that back turbo.
I'm about to get my ears pierced. I'm about to get my ears pierced. I'm about to get my ears
in the ears. We on OG cam. Yo, what I tell y'all? I told y'all we was finna get my boy Marve. My boy Marve finna get his ears. I told you we was finna get his ears pierced. It's lit. John is always going missing. John is going missing. I know where he at. I know I'm in front. Hey, where we at? Where we at? Where we at? We in Inglewood, zone 6 with it. You know I'm popping it.
Oh, cause y'all don't got real. Y'all don't got Oh, they shooting.
What you guys scared for?
Shooting.
He froze on like a little bitch. That nigga just got scared. Wait, what'd you say? No. Y'all don't have them? Hey, can I get a question? Yeah. Hey, John.
Nah, they tripping. I'm trying to get my ears pierced.
Alright, I got you.
I'm trying to get
you know what I'm saying? We back at it in the city. We had a little 5 points.
I'm still trying to get my ears pierced. I don't know what we doing right now.
He's still trying to get his ears pierced.
What is the little 5 points?
We're a little 5 points. Right there. Yeah.
Are we going? Is it this way or this way?
Yes, it's this way. It's this way. That's how I feel. Yo, like, yeah.
I'm like, we don't want to fuck. What about me? I need my picture taken.
You need your what?
My picture taken.
Your what?
Picture.
Oh, so did you try to dab?
No, I just feel like I look good though.
Oh, let's right here.
It is cold in Atlanta.
Hey, bro, I can't believe that, bro. You cold? Yeah, which way is this shit? Oh, that shit cold. Papa Slime? What up? No, what up, Slime? We in the city with it. We vloggers now, man. Bro, why we always wearing the same?
If I don't get my ears pierced today. Where did he say to go? Didn't he say to go this way? They don't do piercings.
I'm about to get a tap for real. You want to see?
I'm saying I might fly out tomorrow.
What?
I asked how are we getting home?
Wait, you going away?
Tomorrow Saturday.
I'm flying to school?
Huh?
Flying back to school?
Nigga, Sunday morning, bro. Because I don't have a ride back.
I don't have a ride back either.
Yes, you do.
Ooh, that girl?
Yes.
How the hell you don't have a ride back when I just told you?
You and Marve was right.
Oh, for real?
Shotgun in the
Oh,
shotgun
bad.
Shotgun on the right back. Shotgun on the right back.
I already called it, bro.
No. You heard that? I did. Yeah.
Still looking for the tattoo place, though. Yeah. I'm famous. Yeah, I am famous.
Hell yeah, twin.
You want my autograph?
Shut the hell up. Shut up.
That was honestly so disappointing.
Yes, I'm famous.
This man Marve finna cry because he trying to get his ears pierced.
The day I got here, I said I can get my ears pierced. They said, okay, so we're gonna take you.
We here, ain't we?
Yeah.
Nah, it's probably gonna close.
Stop complaining.
It's gonna close.
Stop complaining.
Watch this gonna close. I'm gonna be mad.
It's always another day.
And they really right here, like.
It's always another day, Marve.
What?
That's just scam. OG never die. Marve about to get his ears pierced today. You get tatted? What size you get? Oh, that's two options. Yeah. No, what you say, man? Hey, let me see. Hey, Marve, I'm gonna FaceTime you. Get his ears pierced. Bro, we waited all this time now, Marve. He was finna chicken out at first.
No, I wasn't. I didn't want it to be expensive to get.
It was gonna be expensive anyway if you wanted good quality.
It was gonna be $30 at Claire's, bro.
He don't even have his ears pierced. Claire's made my earring close up and gave me kilo. Thank you. So 4 piercings from Claire's.
My whole family got their ears pierced.
Yo, both your ears closed.
I played baseball. I took them out.
Hey.
Nobody likes you tonight.
Get it? DDG's be like an hour long. Just bring it up to 2
Bro, it's all about Marv. Stop saying other YouTubers. Stop. DDG what? G. It's about Marv. Marve. Montana, boy. What eating tonight, man? It's all on you. The game on you. What you got? What we eating tonight?
Let's do it. Seafood.
Bro, he's leaving tomorrow, bro. Is it recording? OG cam. Oh, I like this setup. This setup hard.
Make niggas feel relaxed.
Relax. I like this setup. Marve. Finna get the ears pierced.
When can you change
Y'all sell other earrings too?
Right now I just have those earrings.
The gang with him. Hey, Chan.
I told y'all he was getting his ears pierced. Look what he doing right now, man.
John. Come on, bro.
He could have come here. Say something right there.
Wow.
If I wasn't in the business school, I would get my ears.
Shut up, bro.
You just said that like 10 times.
I wasn't in the business school.
This isn't about you. It's about
I wasn't in the business school. If I wasn't in the business school, I would get my ears pierced.
FBI.
I would have my eyebrows slit. Goofy.
Back tomorrow.
It don't hurt. That was quick. Marv.
Yes, sir.
Hold on.
Yes, sir. How does it feel?
Yes, sir.
It don't feel like nothing.
OG never died. Hey, that was quicker.
OG never died.
What's up, y'all? We about to go to Linux. I'm about to say, he here. Shotgun. Y'all dressing. I'm not. We about to go to Linux Mall.
You gotta wear a jacket.
What?
Cold tonight.
Yeah. Why you look so mad? What is he mad for?
Nigga, what are you doing? Where they at? Come on, Chandler.
He the only one. I see you got a shotgun.
Yeah. Jay, man.
He mad.
Not him, man.
Hey, nigga. Any day, nigga. Fuck.
I did it on purpose. Come on, niggas.
Nigga. Fucking go. All right, bet.
Come on, niggas.
Hurry up.
My brother
Ready, but we missed it.
Gotta snap that bitch.
It's cold as shit. Y'all niggas be
No, it's not.
I'm freezing, bro.
Good morning. Today is Sunday. We are on our way back to Tallahassee from Atlanta. It's really early right